Hiya, my name's Sally Holland. I'm the Children's Commissioner for Wales, and this is a message for young carers in Wales. I want to start by thanking you for all you're doing at the moment during the coronavirus crisis. Some of you have been at home even longer than other children and young people because you've been shielding somebody in your house who's got poor health. I know that lots of you are juggling lots of different things to do all day long, trying to do a bit of schoolwork as well as supporting everyone in your house. It might be younger brothers and sisters who aren't in school, as well as adults in your house that might need support and care. I want to remind you that all the rights you had before the crisis, the rights to health, the rights to education, the rights to support that you need are all still there. Life feels very different and the services that are out there to support you look different, but they are all still there to support you. Carers Trust Wales have developed lots of new advice and support for schools and others so that they get the best advice on how to give you what you need and to understand your life, both now during the crisis, but also in the future after life returns to normal and you go back to school. If you're having any trouble at the moment getting the things that you and your family need, like food, medicine, or the care and support that someone in your house needs, please don't hesitate to ask somebody, whether that's a teacher, your support worker if you've got one, or somebody from your local carers group. It's my job to make sure that you get all of your rights, and please do contact my office or somebody else who can help you if you're not getting all that you need. Thank you for all that you do, and best of luck for the next few weeks. Bye for now.